From attracting 100 million people in just 2 months to integrating video modality in GPT-5, OpenAI is on a mission to revolutionize industries by doing the unthinkable. With the potential for AGI capabilities to become a reality, we're about to witness revolutionary advancements in healthcare, manufacturing, and beyond. And if you believe in the reality of AI and want to utilize it before others, then you are not going to want to miss this. When it comes to comparing ChatGPT with other online apps, its progress has been truly mind-blowing. In just 2 months, it attracted a whopping 100 million people every month, zooming ahead to become one of the fastest-growing platforms worldwide. This incredible growth has some seriously huge implications that can't be ignored. It's like a superstar stepping onto the global stage, ready to make a lasting impact. With every new version, from GPT-3 to GPT-4, we've seen mind-boggling improvements that left us in awe. And guess what? The adventure doesn't end there. GPT-5 is just around the corner, and we can't help but get super excited about the thrilling advancements it's going to bring. Brace yourself, because this journey is about to get even more awesome. While GPT-3 was all about text and GPT-4 took it a step further by adding images, GPT-5 is expected to take things to the next level. How, you ask? By integrating video modality, which means users can use videos as data and even dive into the thrilling world of text-to-video interactions. This opens up a whole new universe of possibilities, allowing users to communicate and access information in ways we've never seen before. Imagine the creative freedom and potential this offers. It's mind-boggling. So, if you are a media professional or a video editor, this might be the ultimate tool for you to create endless art and money. Now, if you're already geared up and excited, let us tell you this is simply the tip of the iceberg, because what we're about to reveal will absolutely blow your sanity. OpenAI, the genius behind ChatGPT, is now delving into the realm of real-world robots. By merging their cutting-edge language models with physical robots, OpenAI is on a mission to bring AI right into our everyday lives. These robots, equipped with mind-blowing capabilities, have the potential to revolutionize industries like never before. Just imagine, with a simple app, you could tap into the knowledge and expertise of the world's top lawyers right at your fingertips. But that's not all. By combining the power of image and video with robotic perception, these futuristic machines will become problem-solving wizards within our environment. They'll swiftly identify and tackle challenges with incredible efficiency. It's like having a team of super-intelligent, ultra-capable robots working alongside us. Now let's talk about AGI, which stands for Artificial General Intelligence. This represents a monumental tipping point in the world of AI. AGI refers to AI systems that can understand and perform any human task with astonishing accuracy. GPT-4 has already earned its stripes as a precursor to AGI, exhibiting hints of sentience and consciousness that have left us awe-inspired. In fact, Microsoft's research paper dives deep into this mind-boggling concept, shedding light on the remarkable progress made toward achieving AGI. As we approach the advent of GPT-5, the potential for AGI capabilities to become a reality becomes even more evident. But that's not it, because 2 very important segments of this video will make you crazy for GPT-5. Ladies and gentlemen, through the lenses of GPT-5, you will be witnessing the beginning of a new era where language models and moving robots collide. Google's Palm E-robot is a shining example of what's possible, showcasing jaw-dropping functionality and seamlessly interacting with its environment. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. OpenAI is taking things to the next level by investing in robotics companies like 1X, previously known as Hello D Robotics, indicating their unwavering commitment to combining AI and physical machines. The potential for GPT's incredible knowledge and sensory perception to merge with these robots' motor skills is mind-blowing. This sets the stage for revolutionary advancements in a wide range of domains. From healthcare to manufacturing and beyond, we're about to witness incredible breakthroughs that will change the world as we know it. Talking about healthcare, ChatGPT's influence reaches far beyond robotics and into the realm of healthcare transformation. By customizing language models for specific medical fields, we're unlocking a treasure trove of information that can revolutionize diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. Picture this: a future where a simple app on your phone connects you to a virtual healthcare AI, supercharged by the incredible power of GPT-5. No more scheduling appointments and spending hours in crowded waiting rooms. With this AI companion, you can describe your symptoms or even share images and videos of your condition directly. Just think of the convenience and efficiency it brings. Whether you're seeking advice or need a professional opinion, this AI-powered healthcare marvel is there for you, providing valuable insights and guidance. It's like having a personal virtual doctor in your pocket, ready to assist whenever you need it. Get ready to embrace a new era of healthcare, where cutting-edge technology and human well-being merge in extraordinary ways. The AI, equipped with extensive medical knowledge, will analyze your inputs and compare them to a vast database of medical cases, symptoms, and treatment plans. It will consider your medical history, genetic factors, and other relevant information to provide an accurate diagnosis. This kind of personalized and efficient healthcare experience would revolutionize the industry. Furthermore, the AI could recommend suitable treatments and medications, or even advise on lifestyle changes to improve your health. It could provide you with detailed information about your condition and possible side effects of medications and answer any questions you may have. This accessibility to reliable healthcare information at your fingertips would empower individuals to take charge of their own well-being. In the world of healthcare, ChatGPT is not just helping patients, but also supporting healthcare professionals in their daily work. Imagine doctors having AI-powered chatbots as their assistants, handling administrative tasks like reviewing patient records, creating reports, and even suggesting treatment plans based on the latest medical research. This would lighten their workload, allowing them to focus more on providing direct care to patients. But that's not all. GPT-5's amazing abilities in analyzing images and videos would enable doctors to collaborate more effectively. They could easily share medical images, discuss cases, and even get second opinions from colleagues all around the world. This collaborative approach would lead to better decision-making and ultimately improve patient outcomes. The power of teamwork and advanced technology work hand in hand for the benefit of patients. It's a game changer in the field of healthcare. While the impact of technology in healthcare is undeniably exciting, it's important to address the ethical considerations and challenges that come with it. Privacy and data security must be treated as top priorities in the healthcare industry to ensure that patient information remains confidential and well protected. Furthermore, as we embrace the power of AI in healthcare, we must remember the significance of maintaining a balance between technology and the human touch. While AI can enhance efficiency and provide valuable insights, it should never replace the empathetic connection between doctors and patients. It's crucial to preserve the human element in healthcare, as the compassionate care and understanding provided by healthcare professionals play a vital role in patient well-being. As we reach the end of our exploration into the awe-inspiring impact of ChatGPT, one thing becomes abundantly clear. This platform has the potential to revolutionize the world as we know it. With the imminent arrival of GPT-5, we're embarking on a remarkable journey where language models and moving robots merge. Healthcare undergoes a profound transformation, and artificial general intelligence becomes a tangible reality. The possibilities that lie ahead are truly boundless, and the future is brimming with excitement. So brace yourself for the incredible power of ChatGPT and get ready to be a witness to history in the making. That's it for today's video. Meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and stay futuristic.